Brian Bowersock here, the Auto Man. Today we're talking about tires and alignment. How often should you have your vehicle aligned? It's a great question, right? Typically we recommend yearly for the best tire wear to prevent damage to tires that you have on the vehicle and to keep the vehicle tracking true and everything. Here in San Diego we have a ton of potholes, as you know, especially with the wet season that we've just come through, and although the city people are working on getting them fixed, they can wreak havoc on your vehicle. These potholes, not only with an alignment, we do an inspection because these potholes can damage things such as tie rod ends, control arms and bushings, ball joints, etc. Shocks and struts can get damaged or bent, start to leak, and we want to inspect all these items yearly to make sure that we're keeping the vehicle in good working order, the suspension's good, the alignment's good, preventing early tire wear for sure. You should also check the tire pressure regularly on your vehicle to prevent tire wear, which helps along with the alignment on the vehicle. Any of these items worn out can cause extensive tire damage, cords to show, and become a problem with the vehicle and a safety hazard. I'm Brian Bowersock from the West Automotive Group.
Join the Auto Man next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.